Okay, so I just went to the local Home Depot and I picked up one of these handy Lincoln slag chipping hammers, but it was like $7. So I know for most people that's not ridiculous, and for me it you know, it really isn't either. But I figured I could make my own. So you know, I'm still gonna keep this one and bring it, but I got some of this 3/8 fence post. I'm just gonna take this and cut it up and turn it into something like this. So let's do it. Okay, so you can't see it, but I cut this at 8 inches long and 8 inches long. I marked it 8/8, and then I also marked it at 5 inches and 5 inches. And so I'm just gonna cut those to length, and we'll go from there. What I'm going to do is just take my grinder and put a vertical slit in this here, and then I'm going to round this off with a grinding wheel on my other grinder, and then we'll weld the handle to it. Okay, so now I've got a wire wheel on the Milwaukee, and I'm just going to clean all the paint off this. And so when running a wire wheel, I suggest you wear some leather gloves because they sometimes like to throw a wire or two. Okay, so now that I got this, I guess this piece of the hammer here made up, I'm just going to attempt to spread the sides of this stuff to 1/8 inch so that we can put this in here. I'll go a little bit more. Close enough to close enough. Alright, on to the next one.